everyone, hope you're doing well. This is device service in the settings menu, specifically designed for repair shop management. It allows you to list all the devices your clients bring in for repair by default, and as you see, there are 3 devices on the list, but you can change the list to match the devices you actually repair. Simply delete any unnecessary devices, the devices you don't repair, by clicking on the delete option. For example, let's say you don't repair a monitor, you can go ahead here and click on the delete option to delete that device. And by clicking on OK, that device will be deleted from the list. I'm not going to do that. And to add new devices, click on New and write the device name, for example, TV, whatever device you repair, and save. You can also set the device you frequently work on as the default. Setting a device as default means that when you add a new reception in the repair shop management, when a client brings in devices for repair, the default device will automatically appear on the reception receipt, which will make the process easier for a smoother repair shop management. For example, let's set TV as default. Let's see that in action. Let's go to repair shop management, reception, new. As you see, the default device is TV. And by clicking on here, you're going to see the list. As you see, there is an add option here, which serves as shortcut to device services in the settings menu. So when your clients bring in devices for repair to your repair shop, you don't have to go back to the settings menu to add new devices. You can simply click on here and add new devices while issuing or adding new reception receipts in your repair shop. For example, I'm going to write printer as a new device and save. Using this option to add new devices will add the device on the reception receipt and also in the settings menu. Let's go to device. As you see, printer is added. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye.